Hello, my name is Flor Enid Ramos Cerón. I am 27 years old. I live in Cartagena. I wake up and I get up at 4:30 a.m. Then I have a shower and I dress up. I go to my prayer with my sister at 5:30 a.m. Then I go to my Eucharist. All morning I am in the high school because I am a teacher. In the afternoon I have a break around 3. I study. And usually I have a break with my sister at 4:30 p.m. Then I go to my prayer with my sister. At 6 p.m. I have the dinner. And after that, I wash the dishes. Then I go to living room with my sister. And we watch the news. Then I go to my office. And I study psychology. Around 11:30, I go to my bed. Bye.